Hello my gorgeous people, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, in today's video we're doing a bathing suit haul and this is from Shein. Super excited guys because summer's here, so why not find some beautiful pieces for you guys to see, and I will link everything down below. But let's begin with the bathing suit haul. So my first item that I got is this one right here. I just love it. It literally is calling me Malibu Barbie. I love the design. I love everything about it. It's like a soft baby blue with some yellows and some pinks. The best part about this bathing suit is that me and my daughter have the same matching set. So me and her are going to be matching in the summertime. So I will link hers too. If you guys have daughters that you want to match, I will also link hers down below so you guys can also match with your daughter. So my next bathing suit I have is this one right here. This is a nice beautiful cream. I'm loving this color because it's super neutral and I love that about this bathing suit. And the best part about this bathing suit is it comes with a nice cover up that you can cover up your waist, which I really love so much. I mean, if it comes included, why not? So this bathing suit is super nice. I like the V-neck on it. You see how it cuts up like that? It just accentuates your body. It just makes it look perfect. So my next item that I got is one of my favorite bathing suit, and it's this one right here. It's this white one. Look how beautiful it is. I'm loving the ruching on top. It's just super flirty. I love that about this bathing suit, and I love how white, like it's really white, and I love the back. And I love this bathing suit because legit, like you can literally wear this to go out after you go swimming. You can go out to eat with this and put some shorts on. I really love this so much, and the way you see me pairing it up here, you can dress this up or down and you just look really put together, and you will look cute going out to the beach or a pool party. My next item that I got is this beautiful bathing suit right here, which automatically it looks amazing. Like I love the blues, the orange, and the white. Everything in this bathing suit just calling Caribbean vibes. Let's go to a cruise. I love it. I don't own a bathing suit like this with the sleeves, which I really love the sleeve. I love the puffiness of it. It just gives you that girly effect. I love everything. It just looks so beautiful. I love the back. It literally looks like you can go out with this. My next item that I have, I left it for last, but this item right here, this bathing suit is gorgeous and girly and just beautiful. Ready for this? It's gorgeous guys, like it's beautiful. I love the pink, the ruching. I love how it shows a little bit of your belly a little bit. I love everything about this. It's so girly. It's just giving you Barbie vibes. Like definitely I'm going out and I'm just gonna drink a mimosa and relax. Like do not bother me. Hello. The only thing about this bathing suit is that you cannot play around with this bathing suit. You cannot jump up and down because it's a little loose on the bottom and you just don't want your friends to like hang out, you know what I mean? So this is more for like a sunbathing, like you chill in the sun, or you just relax with a little glass of mimosa and you're just done. I don't think this is not to be playing around in the water and throwing yourself and just like, hey, look at me, I'm flopping everywhere. This is really beautiful. To go out to a pool party, definitely thumbs up. But I really do like this, and I do like the little string right here. I just give it a flirty vibe. Alright guys, I'm done with my Shein haul. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until my next video guys, bye.